What's up guys, with another video, with another day of learning. Today I'm going to tell you how to put a thumbnail on your video. It's really easy. You just need to have the app, which you can download from Google Play or App Store, called YouTube Studio or YT Studio. After opening, you can, I just need to go to back. Then you only need to sign in, which it will tell you sign on or log in. After signing in, you will see all your videos. Press one video that you want to put on it, the thumbnail. Then press on the pencil that is on the corner. Then press edit thumbnail. For me it comes change, for you it will come custom thumbnail. For me it comes change because I already have a thumbnail. When I press change, my pictures will come. So you press save and boom, you have a thumbnail. It's really easy. Please share it for anyone that doesn't know how to put a thumbnail or doesn't have an idea about it. If he knows, tell him this is a better idea or easy idea. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below if you have any comments about it. So I just need to tell you bye bye. See you next time.